Major shift in the nature of jobs, artificial intelligence, and our future. A presentation for a world in transformation. As far as the introduction of this AI revolution is concerned, there are mainly 3 points. Number one is the dawn of a new era. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of science fiction. It's a rapidly evolving reality, reshaping industries, economies, and the very nature of work. Secondly, this is beyond automation. While initial concerns focused on basic automation, the rise of generative AI and advanced machine learning is impacting tasks requiring creativity, analysis, and communication. Number three, a dual impact. AI is both a disruptor and an enabler. It will undoubtedly displace certain jobs, but it will also create entirely new roles and augment existing ones, leading to a significant shift in skill demands. What would be the impact of this revolution of AI? A glimpse of the numbers if you see. Number one, significant displacement. Reports suggest that millions of jobs worldwide could be exposed to automation due to AI. Goldman Sachs estimates around 300 million full-time jobs. Number two, new job creation. However, the World Economic Forum predicts AI and other information processing technologies will create an estimated 170 million new jobs globally by 2030, while displacing 92 million existing roles. Number three, transformation, not annihilation. The impact is less about mass unemployment and more about a fundamental redefinition of roles and required skills. Current jobs at high risk of replacement by AI. AI excels at tasks that are repetitive and routine, like tasks with clear rules and predictable inputs. Data-intensive jobs involving the processing and analysis of large data sets. Script-based predictable interactions, roles with standardized communication, and the examples of jobs at high risk would be customer service representatives, where AI chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming adept at handling routine inquiries. Number two, telemarketers. Scripted interactions are easily replicated by voice, AI, and robocalling systems. Then number three, bookkeepers and data entry clerks. Repetitive data processing and reconciliation are highly automatable. Then receptionists. Automated systems can manage calls, scheduling, and basic inquiries. Then bank tellers and cashiers. Digital banking and self-checkout systems are reducing the need for human intervention. Then translators and proofreaders. AI-powered tools are highly effective for language translation and text correction. Manufacturing workers. Robotics and AI can now perform many physical tasks in production lines. Then drivers. Autonomous vehicles are poised to disrupt the transportation industry. Next, paralegals. AI can streamline legal research and information gathering. Then basic content writers. AI content generators can assist with repetitive and template-based content creation. Then next, How AI replaces jobs? What is the mechanics in that? Automation of tasks. Number one, AI can perform routine, manual, and cognitive tasks faster and with greater accuracy than humans. Then data analysis and prediction. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data allows it to identify patterns, make predictions, and inform decisions, impacting roles like market research and financial analysis. Then generative capabilities can create new content like text, images, codes, directly impacting creative and knowledge based roles that involve content generation. Then cost efficiency. Automating tasks with AI can reduce operational costs for businesses, making it an attractive option for efficiency gains. And new jobs emerging in the AI area would be like this. AI is not just taking jobs, it's creating a demand for new skill sets and roles, particularly in areas of AI development and management. This would include building, deploying, and overseeing AI systems. Then human AI collaboration, roles that leverage human creativity and critical thinking alongside AI tools. Then ethical oversight, ensuring responsible and unbiased AI development and deployment. Examples of the new and evolving jobs in AI era would be like AI engineer or specialist, developing and building AI models and applications, prompt engineer, fine-tuning communication with AI models to achieve desired outputs, AI trainers training generative AI systems, especially in customer service, AI product manager overseeing the development and rollout of AI products, robotics engineer working at the intersection of AI and robotics to develop automated systems, AI ethicist or ethics officer ensuring AI systems are fair, unbiased, and used responsibly. Data scientist, analyst, advanced stage, interpreting complex data generated by AI and guiding business decisions. Then comes cybersecurity analyst. That would be AI focused, very important area, protecting AI systems from new threats. Then AI literacy trainer, educating individuals and organizations on AI fundamentals and practical uses. Then health tech implementation specialists, helping healthcare organizations integrate new AI medical products. And what would be the evolving roles in human AI collaboration? Many existing jobs will not be fully replaced but rather augmented by AI. This means that the nature of the work will shift, requiring new skills and collaborative approach with AI tools. Examples like doctors, radiologists, AI assists with diagnostics, allowing human professionals to focus on complex cases and patient interaction. Then graphic designers, making designers more efficient. Teachers, AI can personalize learning, freeing teachers to focus on critical thinking, social, emotional development, and individual support. Lawyers, AI streamlines legal research, allowing lawyers to focus on strategy and complex legal arguments. Marketing professionals, AI can automate content creation and customer segmentation, allowing marketers to focus on strategy and creative campaigns. HR specialists, AI can automate routine HR tasks, enabling HR professionals to focus on talent development and employee experience. And then how to prepare for future. That I mean is reskilling and upskilling. The key to navigating this shift is continuous learning and adaptation. For example, AI literacy. Understanding the basics of AI, its capabilities and limitations is crucial for everyone. Technical skills, demand for AI development, data science, machine learning, and cybersecurity skills will soar. Human-centric skills, skills that are difficult for AI to replicate, will become even more valuable, like critical thinking and problem solving, creativity and innovation, emotional intelligence and social perceptiveness, complex communication and collaboration, then adaptability and lifelong learning. So, the strategic initiatives would also be very important. Companies must invest in training programs, identify skill gaps, and foster a culture of continuous learning. And in the conclusion, that is embracing the AI future as soon as possible. And this will include a transformative period. The integration of AI marks a significant, irreversible shift in the global job market. Opportunity amidst challenges. While job displacement is a concern, AI also presents immense opportunities for increased productivity, new industries, and more engaging human work, and proactive adaptation. Success in this new era hinges on individuals and organizations proactively embracing AI, investing in new skills, and focusing on the unique strengths of human intelligence in collaboration with artificial intelligence.